Hi son! Welcome to yet another RC channel. Today we are talking about the new Radiomaster Zorro and why, if I could only have one radio, this would be it. It's got the 4-in-1 module, so I can run all my planes, my trucks, my heavy equipment with the same radio. And of course it runs edgeTX operation system. But a lot of radios do that. Let's meet over at the bench and I'll show you the details that makes it a true all-rounder. If you watched any of my videos before, you know that I love my Radiomaster TX16S. It has got, well, not issues, but it lacks a few details that they now have implemented in the Zorro. Oh, and by the way, this video is sponsored by none other than my RC budget, but you can help out for future videos by hitting the thumbs up button and subscribing to the channel. So for an all-rounder, I need a radio that I can use both for planes and trucks and scale trucks and my heavy equipment. So for the ground vehicles, I need a radio with a self-centering throttle stick. And for my planes, I definitely do not want that. On this one, it is as easy as tightening or loosening this 1.5mm hex from the outside. So tightening it, I can fly, and loosening it, it self-centers. Another thing that TX16S lacks out of the box is a possibility to adjust the length of the sticks. They also implemented these M2 mounting inserts if you want to mount stuff to your radio, and they also included two up here in the front just below the antenna. There's a design issue with the plastic, so the holes in the plastic aren't big enough, but opening them up with an X-Acto or something, and then you have M2 inserts on the inside. I'm going to make a mount for a GoPro, so I can have a GoPro on the radio. And apart from that, it's got almost all the buttons and switches you could ever want. They remembered to put in trims for my planes. So when driving ground vehicles, I use my thumbs, and I have full reach of everything, including the two buttons on the back. But while flying, I'm a pincher, and you can still reach. It's a bit difficult to reach. I can reach them with my pinkies. But other than that, you can reach everything. And the gimbals feels quite good. And so far, this radio can do everything I need in a radio. But the thing is, it's not perfect, but it's very close. So what would make the perfect radio? You probably guessed it. But it would be the TX16 Zorro Max haul. Radiomaster, if you're watching, I got an idea for you. For your next TX16, give us some mounting holes, lots of them. Give us a possibility to adjust the gimbals without opening the radio. Of course, you could throw in a hidden antenna. In addition to that, make it possible for us to choose between self-centering and not self-centering. Of course, also with some kind of adjustment from the outside. I will show you some setups for like my excavator and bulldozer. Some cool possibilities for scale trucks. If you want to see how I set up the TX16S for my excavator, have a look at this video, and then I'll see you in the next one.